Chapter 10 Gases. Exercise 10.85. A sample of argon effuses from a container in 112 seconds. The same amount of an unknown noble gas requires 79.6 seconds. Identify the second gas. So how do we identify the second gas? Well, the effusion rate is proportional to the average speed of the gas particles, and the average speed is inversely proportional to the square root of mass. So we can use this two pieces of information to identify the gas. Alright, so first, argon has a molar mass of 3995. Alright, so V2 divided by V1 is going to be the square root. Alright, so this is the equation. And again, the speed is going to be inversely proportional to the square root of the mass. So we'll have m1 on top divided by m2. So this is the setup. And the mass of an atom is proportional to its molar mass. So we have molar mass for gas 1, molar mass for gas 2. So this is how we set up the equation. And also, if we have a higher speed, it's going to take less time. Speed and time are inversely proportional to each other. So what we will do, it's going to be T1 divided by T2. Alright, so we're using this equation on the right and this equation on the left. Now we're plugging numbers. T1 from argon is 112 seconds. T2 79.6 seconds. And what else do we have? Molar mass of gas 1, which is argon, 39.95, divided by the molar mass of the second gas. I'm going to use X here. Alright, and then solve for X. How do we solve for X? We need to have this squared. Alright, so we square both sides. Alright, so what I will do is I will delete this. I'm gonna use this. Not sure if it's gonna work. Let me use parentheses here. Alright, so we have this, and over here we remove the square root. And then we can move X to the right hand side and this to the left hand side. Alright, so this would be the calculation. Let's see, X is 20.2, so, or 20.18. So we use this data to determine the second gas. Which noble gas has a molar mass of 20.18? It's neon. Alright. And actually, we can just look at these two numbers and know the second noble gas moves faster, so should it be lighter. So it has to be neon or helium because it's a noble gas. It cannot be helium because helium is so much lighter than argon. It's 10 times lighter than argon. But if you compare these two numbers, and you square the ratio of 112 over 79.6, you're not gonna get 10. I guess you will get something around 2-ish. Alright, so it cannot be helium, it has to be neon. So you can see the rate, the diffusion rate is inversely proportional to the square root of the molar mass. So we'll use this equation here.